welcoming this video. Today we will discuss in this session all the operations, closure property for all the operations on integers. See, closure property for all the operations on integers. First we will see what are integers. Integers includes all the whole numbers plus the negatives, means it contains all the whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the negatives means 1, 2, 3, these negatives, means integers are the set of all the whole numbers and the negatives. So integers are indicated by the capital letter Z, that Z includes the set of all the negatives and the whole numbers. So we will check for all the operations for the integers, okay, whether they are in closed or not, whether they are obey closure property or not. First operation is addition operation. So what it says, in general a plus b is an integer. So in general a plus b, addition operation we are doing means a plus b I have taken. See, in general a plus b is an integers for any two integers a and b. In the examples we have to take any two integers and do the operation addition. The result with whether it obey the closure property or not we will see. For example, I have taken a is equal to 7 and b is equal to minus 8. 7 is the positive integers and 8 is the negative integers. We are doing the addition operations, mean a plus b is equal to, put the a and b value, a is equal to 7 plus b value is minus 8, means I am keeping in bracket. So 7 plus into, do the signs operations. So plus, when you multiply with minus sign you will get minus sign, plus into minus is minus, that is 7 minus 8. In 8 you are subtracting 7, you are getting minus 1 is the answer. See, minus when whether it includes in the set of Z or not. See here in the set minus 1 is there, means integers are closed under addition. We will check another example. Take another example, that is a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 1. We are checking for the operation a plus b. Put a and b value. A is minus 4 plus b value is minus 1, means I am keeping in bracket. So do the operation. See here, plus into minus, we are getting minus, signs multiplication. See, minus 4 as it is, plus into minus bracket means multiplication. It's initialized that it in bracket means it indicates multiplication operations. See, signs operation, plus into minus is minus 1. Minus 4 plus minus 1. We are adding, means both are in negative form, means you are adding and keeping the sign minus 5. Means minus 4 and minus 5 will get minus 5. See whether it is in the set of Z or not. See, minus 5 is in the set of integers, means what we conclude, integers are closed under addition. See here, we are getting minus 1 in the first example and here minus 5 in the second example. Both the numbers are in the set of integers, means it closed under addition. It closed under addition. See, it closed under addition. This is very important. Next operation is subtraction. For subtraction, we will check whether integers obey closure property or not. See, in general, a minus b is an integer. A minus b is an integer, means we are operating subtraction operation, means a minus b have taken a minus b. For any two integers a and b, take any two integers. See, set in the set, take any two integers. I have taken in the first example, that is a is equal to minus 5 and b is 8. Do the operation subtraction. See, a minus b is the operation, means is equal to, put the a and b value. A is minus 5 minus b value is 8. See, both are negatives, means we are adding and keeping the minus sign, that is minus 13. In the second example, take a is equal to minus 8 and b is equal to minus 11. So do the operation a minus b. Put a value minus 8 minus in the bracket. Here b value is in the form of minus, so I am keeping in the bracket, okay, because in the bracket outside minus sign is also there, means it changes the signs, okay. For that I am keeping minus 1 is in the bracket. So minus 8 minus in the bracket minus 1 came. So do the calculation now. Minus 8 keep as it is. See here, bracket means multiplication. Do the signs first. Minus into minus, we are getting plus sign. 11 keep as it is. In here minus 8 is there and here plus 11 is there. You are doing subtractions, means you are subtracting 11 from 8, means 3 you are getting. Before 11 you are having a plus sign, means plus 3. See, plus 3 whether it includes in the set of integers or not. See, 3 is in there in the set of integers. Now what we will conclude? What will conclude? Integers are closed under subtraction. Integers are closed under subtraction. Addition also closed under addition, and the subtraction operation also closed under subtraction. Next we will move to the operation multiplication. Okay, whether it obey the closure property or not for integers we will check. In general, AB means in between multiplication sign is there, I am writing as AB. So AB is an integer for any two integers A and B. Take any two integers and multiply. See, I will take on A is equal to minus 2 and B is 3. Do multiplication A into B. That is A is equal to minus 2 into B value is 3. Here see, first do the signs multiplication. Here before 2 minus sign we have and before 3 plus sign we have. If not there, means it is having plus sign. Plus first you have to do the signs multiplication. Minus into plus, you are getting minus sign. 2 3s are 6, that is minus 6 you are getting the answer. So 6 is in the set of integers. Take another example, one more. A is equal to minus 4 and B is equal to minus 11. Do the multiplication. A into B is equal to minus 4 into minus 11. First do the signs multiplication. See, minus into minus, you are getting plus sign. Minus into minus, plus sign. 4 into 11 is 44. See, plus 44 in the second example and minus 6 is in the first example. So both are in the set of integers. This is a positive integer and this is the negative integers. Now what we will conclude? Integers are closed under multiplication. Integers are closed under multiplication. So both addition, subtraction and multiplication for the integers, they obey closure property. And the last one is the operation division. We will check for the division operation. In general, A divided by B is an integer for any two integers. For example, in example take A is equal to 14 and B is equal to 7. Do division. A divided by B is equal to, put A value is 14, B value is 7. 14 divided by 7, you get 2 as the answer. It includes in the set of integers. Next example is A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 7. A divided by B means 3 by 7. Here see 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is in the form of P by Q. This is a rational numbers, because see 3 by 7 here it is a fraction or a rational number. So the integer set does not include this number. This number not containing in the set of integers. But here 2 is in the set of integers. It is always, it may not be include. So if not include, then you will conclude that integers are not closed under divisions. See, in the last example, you are getting 3 by 7. In the last example, the rational number you are getting means it is does not include in the set of integers. Means what we conclude, integers are not closed. This is very important. Integers are not closed under division. Like this, we are checked closure property for all the operations on integers: addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation and division operation. Addition operation obey or closed under addition, and subtraction operation closed under subtraction, and for multiplication operation it is integers are also closed under multiplication, but integers are not closed under division. Okay. We have checked closure property for all the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on whole numbers and integers. What we have concluded, that whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication, but not closed under subtraction and division. For whole numbers it is means the whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication only, but not closed under subtraction and division. However, integers are also closed under addition and subtraction and multiplication, but not closed under division. See, integers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not closed under division. Whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication only. Addition and multiplication, but not under subtraction and division. But integers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, both are 3, but not closed under division. We will see for rational numbers the whether closure property, whether it obey all the operations or not, we will see in our next class. Thank you very much.